Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to scan QR code or barcode in Xiaomi 11i or Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe down the quick panel. Then you can find the scan option here. You need to click that. So this one have a QR code. So I will scan the QR code. So it will open the URL from the QR code. So you can click go to website. It will navigate to the website. Also, we can scan the barcode from here. It will give the results. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.